Okay, welcome back. Next is the activity 3. Same as the activity 2, you should put first the label. Okay, extendable. Okay, next is the email. After that is the status. Then after the status, you should put it a product. Product name to be specific. Okay, let's move. As for the full name, let's say for the clarification, just don't put other name. Michael Lee. We have Sarah Connor. We have David Tyne. We have Emily Clark. And the Chris Evans. Emily at email.com. David at email.com. Then Michael at email.com. Okay, as for the status, the capital join, completed, done, cancelled, and completed. Okay, we have phone, tablet, we have charger, phone, and tablet. Okay, as for the next steps is for the column E, headers is the clean name. Okay, proper
Ay,
name,
asa siya?
A2.
Ano yung
Okay,
kabalagay ka? Sa
just
ako,
drag it
Owen ba?
down. So it is Y. Okay, handling the missing data for the column F. Let's say for the column F, how to email check. Okay, is equals to if is blank B2, then missing email and valid.
Bites.
Okay.
Siyang, wala ko na pa siyang. Ate, sabi. Uy, nasa ka posisyon ni Jessica Rivera.
Sa posisyon
Gudong ba? Just
sa asa?
concept.
Assistant to the President. Oh, Governor. May ito pala. Kaya pala. Yan. So, drag it down to make it easier. Drag it down, rather. Okay, next one is the clean the status. Okay, as for the clean the status, let's say sa katong kanina, if or lower C2 is equals to done. Tama ba? Then lower C2 is equals to complete that. Comma, let's say is complete, comma, then let's say is cancel. Okay, it's easier guys if you know the code na. I guess this is it. Wait, I will check it first. Okay, drop, then 8 to 6, data, and text column. Delimited, next, space, next, then no, then finish. Okay, that's all. That's it pala. Then remove the duplicate, simulate lang in the real words mistake, copy the root 213, and paste down in the rows 7 and 8. Then A to G8, I guess A to G8. After for the A to G8, let's go to the data and remove duplicate. Okay, there's no duplicate at all. Then connecting data, the VLOOKUP, then XLOOKUP. Create the pricings. Reference, create a brand new tabnet and workbook. Pricing, set it like this one. Okay. Pupunta tayo dito. So the product name, let's have the product name. And the product cost, standard cost rather. What are the product code? We have the charger. Tablet. Let's first do the tablet. After for the tablet, we have a phone. After with the phone, we have a charger. Okay, 300, that is 800, then that is 25. Okay, then step B, pull up the price into the main sheets. Go back to your main and create a brand new column header called the cost. Right here, let's do the cost. Okay, after that, okay, is equals to, let's do na B lookup dito pricing. EB to false. Okay, same as the goes up. Okay, that's it. So that's how we do for that. That's how we do for the activity, everyone.